that. I'm Aaron Novak, welcome back to the channel. We've got something different today. I got an email the other day, and normally I ignore these kind of emails, but it was like a, hey, we've got this product we want you to try, and if you leave us a review, you can have it for free, or we'll pay you for it, or whatever. Normally those emails, they are wanting you to pay for it up front, which guys, if they do that, most likely it's a scam. But these people wanted to actually pay me up front. They asked for a 5-star review on Amazon. I'm gonna be honest, and if it's not a 5-star product, I'm not gonna give it a 5-star review. And if they want to charge me for the product later, that's totally fine with me. This is from a company called Leereel. This is a 2-pack. It's their Symphony light. They've got their app control on the side here. It says, caution, do not stare into the beam. That's the first time I've seen something like that on one of these LEDs. Multicolor mode, voice control, recognition, noise suppression filtering. I wonder what that means. Noise suppression filtering. Oh, automotive, outdoor activities, party. All right, well, this came from Amazon. This box is not the best condition. It's all sorts of kind of janky. I don't think this is Amazon's fault. I think this is just poor packaging. Look at this side is like all janky.
I don't need these scissors, but I couldn't find a knife, so I'm gonna use them. Anyways.
Right off the bat, open it up here. This cardboard feels really strange. Oh! Okay, so we've got a USB, 2 USBs, one USB with 2 plugs on it. Look at that. Okay, so it's got the splitter, and then these are USB-C. Some little white stickers. I don't know what these are for. Here's the stands. Those are kind of nice. Hey, this is a nice form factor, I gotta say. It feels, I mean, it's plasticky, but it's got a nice weight to it. My Philips Hue lights are plasticky, so I'm not worried about that. I like the way this is built, this like hexagonal sort of shape here. I think that'll really help send the light outwards more. And we've got this user manual. So this one controls them both, power, color, and mode. Let's plug it into the computer here so we have power. And then plug these into this. And push the power key. Nope, power key, there we go. Ooh, okay. I like that. So these are individually addressable. Look at that. Look at the way it syncs up like that with both of them. That's really nice. All right, and it says mode key, long press. Okay, check. Ah, so this is obviously the voice activation. That is really nice. I'm not gonna lie, guys, I'm liking this so far. Blue and yellow and red. I like the way that it kind of cycles down. You see that? Not just the light, but the colors are cycling through. Let's try this mode key again. So that's also voice activated. That's really cool. Press it again, voice activated again. Now it's just blue, green, and red. Whoa, hello. Those are pretty bright when it's on just one color. Voice activated lights. Lights! Night Rider! Yes, indeed. Download on the App Store. The App Store. Sounded like I said something else, but I swear I said store. This is taking forever. I wonder what these stickers are for. It doesn't say, these are just random stickers, yeah. Random stickers, yeah. Random stickers, yeah. Okay, so on the bottom here, there's the mic, and there's their scan, their QR code again. So it's a little slow. Not too bad though. These colors are pretty nice. I'd say my only complaint so far is the brightness. Just doesn't seem very bright to me. Can't seem to get this brightness bar to work. Maybe my pin's dead. Finger is not dead. Okay. I'm definitely pushing that button. I got it to move a little bit. This is all standard sort of individually addressable options here. There's another complaint. With how far out this sits, it won't sit flat on a table. So it would have been better if this USB was like, I don't know, angled, or if the stand was maybe a little bigger, or if this went in a little bit more. Look how much that sticks out. See, they both stick out like quite a bit. I could see that being an issue in the future, especially with this kind of proprietary USB thing, double USB thing. I'm sure you can power it with any USB. Let's see if I can get this one to run off of this USB over here. Yeah, so it'll run off of other USBs. I don't know if you guys can see that. They don't seem to be in sync anymore. Maybe that's just a matter of changing something on the app here. Yeah, this one seems to be doing its own thing now. So I could definitely see that being an issue in the future. This already seems like it's kind of bending. Okay, now they're synced back again. So it seems like if you want them to be synced, you have to use their cable. Here we go. That'll work. I don't remember how much these were. I think they were 30 bucks, 25, something like that. I don't know if I would have gone out and spent this money myself on these, not knowing how good they would be. They could be, oh, there we go. It turned up a little bit more. They could be a tad bit brighter. Of course, I'm blasting a lot of lights in the studio right now. So if this was a dark room, these would be really showing off. They seem to be working really well. Maybe that's what it meant by noise suppression filtering. I don't know if that is referring to the mic or if it's referring to the noise of the light. Anytime a light cannot flicker when using it, it's good for use with video or photography. So I could see these being for like a YouTube studio, maybe lighting some stuff in the background. I'll experiment around with how I can actually implement these into my setup. But yeah, I'm impressed. These are pretty cool. They work really well. I like the mic. I like the different options. I like the colors. I like that they're individually addressable LEDs. The only cons, like I said, they could be a bit brighter. A bit brighter would be nice. So yeah, guys, if you liked this video, please leave a like down below. That really does help out the algorithms. If you have any questions about this product or just in general, leave a comment down below. And if you want to see more videos by me, hit the subscribe button. So yeah, Leereel, I am going to give you a 5-star rating on Amazon because these are really cool. I am going to mention that I wish they were a little bit brighter in my review, but thanks for sending these over. They are really cool. So yeah, if you can fix, oh, the other problem, that USB, see how much that's sticking out and it's already bending. If you guys can fix this problem and you can fix how bright these are, then this would be like a complete recommended buy for me. I am going to give it a 5-star, but I wish those were a little better. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I will catch you later.